Hello everyone, welcome to Pine Masters. I'm Harshita Alveli. Today we have Shreyas with us who is from Bangalore, Karnataka, and he got placed in TCS recently. So he is here to share his experience with us. Let's talk to him and get to know about the entire interview process in detail. So hi Shreyas,
Hi, ma'am. Hi, everyone.
how are you?
I'm Shreyas. I'm fine. I'm doing good. Thank you, ma'am.
Firstly, we would like to congratulate you for getting placed in TCS, Shreyas. We are very happy for you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am. It's all because of Quant Masters and the support I
Okay.
got. Yeah.
Okay. So before talking about anything else, could you tell more about yourself, Shreyas?
Okay. Coming to my profile, I'm Shreyas. I'm from Bangalore. I studied in Bangalore Institute of Technology. So
Mm-hmm.
it's called BIT, and yeah, I'm the student of 2021 batch. I studied electrical and electronics engineering. So now, as ma'am said, I've been placed in TCS as assistant engineer training. So uh, yeah, it's all about me.
Okay, okay, super, super. So what is the package that is offered, Shreyas?
Okay, my package was about 3.36 lakhs per annum and
Okay,
plus incentives.
plus
So there will be
incentive.
some readiness incentives which will be given if you pass few exams before you are joining.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay.
So
So you're currently studying or already passed out?
no, I passed out. I
You
passed
have
out. Yeah,
2021.
2021 batch. Yeah.
Okay, 2021 pass out. Okay,
Yes.
fine, fine. So how many rounds was it, Shreyas? Thesis,
It's basically a two-round interview. So I got into TCS through NQT, their national
okay.
qualifier test.
When did you was this was an off-campus interview, right?
Yeah, this was an off-campus interview where
Mm-hmm.
it happened in 2020. So the
Okay.
notification came in August, and
Mhm.
I wrote the first stage of exam, like aptitude and technical part of the exam.
When
In
did
by
the thesis and QT happen?
It happened in August to September,
Somewhere in August, September
August to September.
2020.
Yeah, 2020.
Please
Yeah.
tell us about the NQT, right?
Okay, it's an yearly exam. I mean, they might conduct it twice or thrice. Sometimes it will be free. Sometimes you have to pay for the exams and write. And TCS majorly hires students from NQT itself. And NQT exams consist of both cognitive and technical assessment. And
Okay.
coming to cognitive assessment, there will be quants, reasoning, English, verbal. And coming to technical, there will be MCQs of C programming, basics of if you know Python or Java, you can easily code in the
Hmm.
programming section. If you know C also, it will be good. So anything works, but you have to clear a programming question in technical part along
Okay.
with the technical MCQs.
Coming to cognitive assessment, you told there were three sections under it, right? Quant,
Yes,
logical, and verbal.
yeah, logical, quant, reasoning, and verbal. Sorry, I
Oh,
left out reasoning, I guess. Yeah.
okay, okay. So in under quant, how many questions were there? Do you remember like how many number of questions were there?
Yeah, I don't exactly remember, but under quants it will be at least 20 to 30 questions. It's a
Okay.
must. Quant questions are about 20 to 30, and
Mm.
verbal also same. I mean, all the four sections have similar question numbers. I
Somewhere
mean,
around 20
number of
questions. And
questions.
what was the time given?
The time is 2 hours for quants and verbals, and 45 minutes for programming questions and technical.
Okay, there is separate
Yeah.
time for the cognitive assessment and separate time for
Yes,
the
yes.
technical assessment.
If you complete the assessment, and if you complete the cognitive assessment, then only you'll move on to the
Okay.
programming part. So,
So
if you
120 minutes was given just for the
yeah, 120
cognitive
minutes.
assessment.
Yes, yes, ma'am. 120 minutes for the cognitive assessment.
Okay, okay. So do you remember like what topics were questions from what topics were asked under quant,
Okay.
logical, or verbal?
Coming to the questions, it's like basics of train questions. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, motion, acceleration, time, speed, distance, um, all these questions were there. I mean, profit loss,
interest.
yeah, interest and all. So these are all basics of quants, we can say. The questions were
So
at the
were they easy
basic
types
level.
or like complicated ones? What was
Yeah,
the
the
level of
quants were
difficulty?
easy to moderate. No? The quants were
Easy
easy
to
to moderate.
moderate.
The tough part comes in technical, because if you are not from CS or IS background, the
Okay. As you
technical
said, you
might.
are from electrical, right?
Yeah, I'm from electrical. Yeah, that's what.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
you
No,
should better
we
be
left out
prepared
the
for
logical
technical.
one. Tell us about the logical part, no logical reasoning.
Logical, yeah, logical part. There were a few many questions in like jumbled letters,
Mm-hmm.
numbers, which comes next, and even the coding where alphabets are coded into some numbers, and
Mm-hmm.
next, I mean, yeah, like typical
Directions,
logical
seating
question. Yeah,
arrangement,
directions, and people sitting in a circle, face to
circular
face.
arrangement.
Yeah,
Oh.
circular and all. Yeah, all these questions were covered in logical and
And the
verbal.
level
It
of
was all
difficulty was questions were
it
easy.
all the quants, verbals, and all were easy to moderate.
Okay.
Yeah, I should tell quant masters helped me a lot in those sections. So I had the very less to worry. And coming to technical part, you need to study, as I told. So you need to study basics of C++, and all.
Okay. Verbal?
Yes.
What about verbal?
Verbal, yeah, it was basics like conjunctions, the passage. There will
Mm-hmm.
be passage also, passage questions, and yeah, there will be a lot of prepositions questions. Yeah, it's all basic English grammar, ma'am.
Okay. So there was sectional time or complete overall time was given to answer all the three sections? Cognitive assessment.
Yeah, there was sectional time itself. You'll
Okay.
get about 30 minutes to answer each section.
Okay.
So once you finish the section, you'll move on to the another. So there was sectional time, but you could navigate. I
Between the
mean,
section.
yeah, you can just finish off one section and move into another. That's all.
Okay. So you cannot come back to the section, right? First
No, no,
30
you
minutes,
cannot.
you
You
have to
cannot.
finish that
Yeah,
section.
you cannot come back to the session. Yeah.
Okay. So 30 minutes each section in the sense it will be 1.5 hours, right?
No, I mean there were four section, I guess.
Okay.
30 minutes each will take to
5 hours.
yeah, somewhere around 2 hours.
What was the fourth section then? Quant, logical, and verbal.
Quant, logical, verbal, and reasoning, I guess, ma'am.
Logical reasoning is the same, right? Logical reasoning.
Yeah, but I'm not able to remember
Don't
the
remember
one
the
more
fourth
thing.
section.
Yeah, I
Okay,
guess
that's
there was
fine.
one more section. Yeah, there was one more
Okay.
section actually.
So, okay, fine, fine. Then,
Yeah.
what about the technical one? Do you remember any questions or like?
Technical, I can remember there were a few MCQ questions. That's all.
Mhm.
Apart from MCQ questions, I didn't remember. There were programming questions as well. So
Okay.
after there will be two programming questions. I mean, they'll give the 45 minutes for both the two, and
Okay.
you need to code at least one. You need to get one test case pass to get a good marks,
Okay. So, what was the
good
time
good
allotted
score.
for this?
For two programming questions, there will be 45 minutes, ma'am, together,
Okay.
all together.
Okay. So, could you do both of them
No, obviously I couldn't do. I tried to do one. I was successful in doing one.
in doing one? Okay.
Yeah.
So, do you remember when this happened?
Okay. I took the exam by September end, I guess, ma'am.
September end. Okay.
Yeah, September
Somewhere
end. Yeah.
in the month
Somewhere
end.
between September mid to September end. I guess in those 2 weeks I took the exam.
Okay. So when did you get to know that you have cleared the first round and shortlisted for the second round?
I got to know that by October end. They'll take 1 month to evaluate the results, and uh,
Okay.
they'll just send a mail that you're shortlisted for the next interview round. So
Okay.
after we clear, it will take around 1 month, 1.5 months to get to know the status. So I got it around October end, ma'am. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Okay. So
And
when did you get to know about the second round? I mean the interview round.
okay, second round, they will just inform you in few days after the confirmation message. So
Mm-hmm.
confirmation mail, and my second round was scheduled after 15 days after the mail. I mean, when I got the mail that you have been shortlisted for the interview. So I got a mail within 2 or 3 days that your interview has been scheduled in by November. So yeah,
No.
I got November. Yeah. My
Okay.
interview was scheduled in November 1.
Okay. Yeah. Please tell us about the interview round. So that was in technical interview, right?
Yeah, that was a technical. There will be three panel members, one for technical, one for HR, and one for management.
Okay.
So technical person will be asking technical questions like what you know and interest in programming, coding, and all. And HR person will be obviously asking in relocation, day night shift, and are you comfortable with the workload and all. Some practical questions. And management question person will be asking on workload, I mean leaves, and how you will manage the work shift balance and all. And yes, ma'am, I was not that very worried about the interview because it was very easy.
Okay.
You
It
could
went
say,
smoothly.
yeah, it went smoothly. And if you are very thorough or well with your resume, and you shouldn't worry about the interview, because if your resume is perfect and you will answer any questions that will come from your resume itself, then there will be no questions of panicking on.
Okay. Then technical questions, nothing else was asked.
Technical questions they will ask about C. I mean, if you are a non CS or non IT person, they will definitely ask you which are the languages you are proficient in and which are the languages you've worked on. On the basis of your answers, they will start asking the basics of that programming language. I told C, so they asked particularly about C programming, and they asked me about data structures,
Okay.
what is a data types,
Mhm.
and what are structures in C and all. So those were all basic questions.
Okay. And what about the HR and the MR? What did they
The
ask? Only
HR,
the relocation
yeah,
amount?
the HR questions. The HR person will be asking uh, the basic questions like, are you willing to relocate if your
Hmm.
location is something else other than Bangalore, or are you willing to work in night shift? And they'll be asking some practical questions like, are you willing to work on a holiday if the work demands? So these are all the practical questions which will come
That's it.
from the
Nothing
HR
else
side.
was asked.
Nothing else, ma'am, nothing else. So they'll
Okay.
ask the basics and the practical questions.
Hmm.
Just yes or no. I mean, if you're ready to will relocate, and what are the reasons you will put forward for the relocation and all.
Okay.
So
That's
that's about the HR round. Yeah.
okay. Okay. So what was the duration of this round?
The whole interview took place for about 20 to 30 minutes maximum.
20 to 30 minutes. Okay.
Yeah,
This
I
happened
guess
on which
it we
platform,
intended
Shreyas?
sorry.
Which platform did this happen on? This the face-to-face interview?
Okay, this interview, as I can remember, it happened on Cisco WebEx, I guess.
Cisco
I'm
Base.
not
Oh,
sure. I'm not sure. But I guess it was on Cisco WebEx itself
okay. So
because I
was this
got a
the
link.
final round or there was one more round, Shreyas?
It was the final round, ma'am, just two rounds. After you write the test, and if you're qualified from the test, they will take you directly to the interview round itself. So
Oh,
all the technical HR and management people will be sitting in the same interview, and
okay.
you will finish off in the same
Everything will
interview itself.
happen at once. Okay.
Yeah,
So this
everything will be
happened in the
happening.
month of November, right?
Yeah, it happened in the month of November. Yes.
Then when did the final results
Okay,
were
final
released?
results. My email confirming that you got placed will come in. I got in December end, ma'am. December
Okay.
last week.
So you had
December
to
last
wait
week.
for like 1 month,
1.5 months. Yeah,
1.5 months. You had to wait for
one
the
and a half.
final
Yeah.
results.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
Finally, results. So they'll send a confirmatory mail that you have been selected, and it will be a few instructions will be there. That's all,
Mhm.
and it will come in 1.5 months. Yeah.
1.5 month. Okay,
Yes,
fine. So this was the entire interview process.
yes.
Yeah. So do you have any tips or suggestions to your friends and junior shares who are trying
But,
so hard to get placed in TCS especially?
okay, in TCS, if you're a non-CS or non-IT student, you need to be thorough in your resume, and you need to know at least few basics of C programming or C++.
Oh,
If you are well versed in Python and Java, it's better than anything. So you need not worry. But if you don't know anything, you must be knowing few basics of C, C++. That's the must for the job role and for the interview also. Yeah.
okay. So since you are a student of Quant Masters, would you like to tell how was your journey with Quant Masters, Shreyas?
Yes, ma'am. I mean, I'd be very happy to share my experience. Quant Masters is the only training platform which I joined for trainings and regarding placement. And that too, it was done very well by Manchu sir. It was done conducted very well during the lockdown period. So the class were very perfect, punctual. We had both technical trainings and quants training in every day. So we didn't get any thought that we missed out on any class. So it was all continuous process of learning. So a very useful tips, very useful tricks also we learned. I mean, I would like to thank Imanshu sir for the wonderful classes and all. Yes.
Okay, super. So one last question, Shreyas. Would you recommend Quant Masters to your friends and juniors?
Yes, ma'am, obviously. I've indeed recommended already a few. So by this, I would like to recommend a few more, many more as well. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Shreyas. And once again, congratulations for getting placed in TCS with such an amazing package. We are very happy for you.
Yeah. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you. I should be
Also,
thankful.
thanks for being here, sharing all the information with us. You know, right, how many students are trying so hard to get placed in TCS,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
I
I wish
hope
them all the best.
they will find it useful.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure, ma'am. Sure. I wish them
Oh,
very all the best for the future. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
thank you, Shreyas. All the very best.
Thank you.